Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are in the Watson Bay area. We came to visit the Nielsen Park, but due to the City to Surf event that's happening today, there are no buses to come to Nielsen Park from city. So we came to Watson Bay and now we are going to walk from Watson Bay to Nielsen Park along the iconic Bondi to Manly Walk. There are signages for Manly to Bondi Walk, so we are following them. There's that yellow fish sign. I'll try to get a close-up photo for the video. We almost missed one sign. We are at the Parsley Bay Bridge. It's like a very nice place to swim in a hot summer day. Water looks very calm. This is the Vaucluse House Park. Now we are going to see the Vaucluse. I don't know how to pronounce that.
Yeah, we skipped from the Bondi to Manly Walk.
Yeah. We are going to see the Vaucluse house now. Vaucluse. Free entry it says. We are in the garden now, in front of the house. The garden is very beautiful.
Yeah, might be more beautiful in the summer. Maybe spring with lots of flowers.
That's a very interesting looking flower. Yeah. We are exploring the Vaucluse house. Looks like a historic horse shed. Actually, we didn't went to the house yet. This is a separate building outside. This looks like the cellar of the house. It's where they keep the wine. 19th century toilets. It was the first time I've seen something like that. Seems to be the old kitchen. So after visiting the Vaucluse house, now we are walking towards the Nielsen Park.
We saw 2 toilets in the Vaucluse house, but we didn't see a shower, so we asked why. And then a lady said that they only took a shower once a week.
Took a bath.
Took a bath, yeah, not a shower, yeah. Took a bath once a week on like a big tub. Yeah.
That's what we learned today.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so we finally arrived at the Nielsen Park. The Shark Beach seems to be closed for some construction work. We are going to have a walk around the park now. The beach is closed, as you can see. There's some construction work going on. Hopefully they'll open it for the summer. We are at the Nielsen Park now, near the Whale Rock. We think that's the Whale Rock. I think from here now we are going to the Mrs. Macquarie chair by bus and wait there until the sunset, and then we'll head home. We'll see if we can get some good captures of the sunset from Mrs. Macquarie chair as well. Yeah, at the Mrs. Macquarie chair.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and we'll see you in another travel video.